Alright, so I have another unboxing. This time it is a little nice little keychain you can see. This time I've decided not to include the Amazon packaging like I previously have in previous unboxings. So I decided just to go through the unboxing directly, if that makes any kind of sense whatsoever. And today, as you can pretty much see, this is Captain America's shield as a keychain. This is a little something more from my keychain to have. Nice little packaging came in from Amazon. Little, you got the Hulk, Iron Man, Captain America, and throw it right there. My hands look stupid. I don't know why, but that shit, my fingers seem so big, and I guess, I don't know. It's weird to really describe. They just don't feel like my hands looking through the camera screen. That shit is weird. On the back, it says Marvel Captain America Shield. I'm not. Pewter key ring. I don't fucking know. Ooh, that shit look kind of nice though. Really nice and smooth. Even got the shielding. You got the handles on the back. Captain America engraved on it. I'm supposed to be receiving more in the future, but this is one that's coming before my birthday, which is this Friday. I have plans to treat myself on that Monday after my birthday. This looks really nice, bro. This looks stupidly nice. This is Captain America, Marvel, some writing right there that I can't read or that I can't decipher. Made in China, I think that's what it said. Yeah, that's what it said, made in China. And this is what the rest of the keychain looks like. So, y'all gonna see me put this shit on too. Once I get on, I'll tell y'all everything that's on this motherfucker. As you can see, my nails are growing back in. So, oh God, this is a bitch right here. This is a pure bitch right here. Yeah, baby, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright. Yeah. As you see, more shit. God damn, that's a lot of shit on my keys. This is the key fob right here. Like actually use to get into my vehicle. That's so hefty, bitch. This past Monday, I went to see Hamilton. Got this little key ring, Foxiator, very nice. My fraternity shield, very nice. It's the only thing that I have on my key ring that hasn't. Not my key. I don't know what the fuck I'm about to say. This is my fraternity shield. God damn it. Yeah, you know the house key. The Captain America shield right here. Oh shit, that shit kind of fucked me up a little bit. The D and the M from the Water Coca-Cola Museum. Yeah, I really just had the D. EJ, my sister had the M, and she said, you can take it. I have to go back in there to find an E for her. So yeah, I just have to find time and a good date. I'll probably do that. Oh, sometime that week. Oof, I really don't know. I'm playing this shit out as I go along, man. Don't bug me. I think that's really everything, though. I think that's really everything on my key fob. I think it's too much. I don't think it's too much. Leave a comment down below. I don't think it's too much. Add some noise to my shit, so I'm not creeping up on you. And I'm going to be receiving more. Yeah, go ahead and spoil it, cause damn, I don't even know what the fuck I forgot I forgot what I fucking getting. What else am I fucking getting? I'm probably getting like an extension for my key fob, so I can put it right here instead of all the keys being on this center ring. it'll be a little bit longer. And it's customized too. And I think there's something else what I don't really know. Anyways, that's the Captain America Shield unboxing. That's the Captain America Shield keyring unboxing. This little sexy bitch right here. Bink. Wait, do another one. Bink. Okay. And yeah. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And if you have anything else you want me to unbox, let me know. Peace.